Welcome to Farm Focus. This video will help you to learn more about the Invoice Scanner and when to use it. The Invoice Scanner is for invoices only. Statements are not able to be read easily by the software. We recommend you set up a forwarding rule in your email application so that invoices you receive will have a copy automatically sent through to Farm Focus. If the invoice is sent to you in hard copy, you can scan and email a copy or take a picture with your phone to send to Farm Focus. It is best to use one of the free apps available on your phone to convert your picture to a PDF before you send. In some cases where the invoice is not set out in the standard format, the scanner might not pick up all of the information. You will be notified by email if this has happened and Farm Focus hasn't yet been able to accept that particular invoice. This will prompt you to review the invoice and go through to the scanning software. Here you will see what information the scanner has already read from the invoice, and you can fill in the gaps to complete the missing information. Select the relevant box and then click and drag your mouse over the information to populate each section. Select the Save icon and the information will be shown correctly in Farm Focus, ready to code. As you correct the missing information, the software will learn to read these invoices correctly for next time. There are some circumstances where the invoice has been accepted by Farm Focus and appears in the Needs Action screen, but some of the details are still missing. You can click into the invoice and select to fill in the gaps in order to capture that information correctly for your records. You will go through the same process to select the relevant data and then save the invoice so that the coding lines are displayed properly. Using the Invoice Scanner makes it easy to extract the information you need from each invoice and also store the source document safely in a paperless system. If you need any further information, please visit our Help Centre or use the chat bubble to talk to the team.